Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Promote Tour Adventures. Once again, nongthamako angni Promote Tour Adventures bai. There is so beautiful building area of Gurugram near New Delhi. Be New Delhi ni kati Gurugram nai jaiga ni be somayna tha jaiga. This area has been developed for last 30 years and so many whole building has come off, and we can see a lot of the international MNCs doing business there. Bohai जों नुनो मोनदों गोबां बहाय गोजौ बिल्डिंफोर जों नुनो मोनदों आरो बे बिल्डिंफ्राव बहाय माल्टिनेशनेल कम्पानिफ्रा बहाय फैनानै बिजनेस मावगासिनो आरो बे एरियायाव थानाय माखासे बर' सुबुंफ्रा बेहाय हाबा मावग्राफ्रा बेवहाय दिनैहाय प्रि क्रिसमास मानिदों दिनै 13 नभेम्बर 2020 Yeah, this the Advent Christmas celebration by Delhi Borough Christian Fellowship, DBCF. There's the 10th Advent Christmas. In this area, a lot of the Borough people come and stay here and do different kind of works for their livelihood. Bao Assam Bengal paniफ्राय फैनानै गोबां बर'फ्रा गुबुन गुबुन रोखोमनि हाबा मावफैयो आरो बे एरियायावनो थायो. And we can see here the monorail going through these tall buildings. It seems so beautiful. The monorail होननाय train ना थांगासिनो दं बे गोजौथार बिल्डिंनि सेरजों. बे गोजौ बिल्डिंफोराव गुबुन हादरनि माल्टिनेशनेल कम्पानिफ्रा अफिस खुलिदों आरो जेराव गोबां बर' फिसाफ्रा फैनानै बिसोरनि न'खराव बिसोरनि अफिसफोराव हाबा मावफैदों आरो दिनै 13 डिसेम्बर 2020 दिल्ली बर' ख्रिस्टान फेल'शिप नि दुवाराय दिनै GT एडवेंट क्रिसमास मानिदों. बेवहाय बर' फिसाफ्रा ज' जानानै रंजादों. See, so beautiful tall buildings in front of this area we can see over here, and we can find a lot of the multinational companies are doing business here. All the call centers and so many huge companies, mega companies have their business center here. And this area has come up so beautifully. That is the Horizon Center. And the people, workers, stay here in this Horizon colony. This colony is known to be the Horizon colony, where so many workers, people come and stay here. बे एरियायावहाय Horizon colony होननाय जायगायावहाय गुबुन जायगानिफ्राय फैनानै हाबा मावफैग्राफ्रा न' भारा लानानै थायो. बेयावनो दिनै बर' फिसाफ्राबो बहाय न' भारा लानानै थादों आरो दिनै बिसोरो ज' जानानै गाव-गावनि गामि, गाव-गावनि बिमा-बिफा, बिदा-फंबाय, गाव-गावनि रंजानाय फोरबोखौ गोसोखांनानै दिनैहाय बिसोरो खुसि मानिदों. The Boro people from West Bengal and Assam is celebrating their festival here, remembering their festival and their home state. Yeah, that is so beautiful place. We can see over here so high buildings are there. and it is a time for food, the Janani time. Thank you guys for watching my YouTube channel. Thank you.